looks like a pullback for gold. Or wait, is it actually plunging from a record high of US dollar 4,400 per ounce to around 4,025 per ounce in just 2 days? What exactly is the reason why the gold prices suddenly softened? It can be profit-taking. Some gold experts commented they have not seen this kind of gold crash for 20 years. Such a crash should surprise us everybody. So let's take a look at what will happen to the stock market. Tom Lee gave another projection again. He is a very good analyst, and recently he was interviewed again by CNBC, and this is what he said. Tom Lee actually says that he still stands by his 7,000 point S&P 500 by the end of this year. Okay, so gold is the ultimate safe haven asset when the economy gets rocky, like with inflation or a volatile stock market. Gold often holds its value or even goes up. It's an inflation hedge. Should I buy gold now? But it's not a business, so let's look into some perspective. If I hold gold, it is a safe haven, inflation hedge, portfolio diversifier. But it doesn't grow, it doesn't generate earnings, it doesn't pay dividend, it doesn't pay interest. So what gold is? What is the use of gold? The most commonly used of gold is jewelry, especially mostly we'll use in wedding ceremony, in certain traditions. And if we dig a bit deeper, the most common use of gold is central banks. So another reason why gold prices has been going up is central banks have been increasing their position in gold. Most obvious one is China because of the US-China trade war. China feels that the US dollar is toilet paper. So anytime if the escalation goes out of control, US can use the US dollar as a weapon, like what they did to Russia. They sanction Russia, and China understands that it's not wise to hold US dollar. It is wiser to convert their US dollar into gold. So China has been the biggest buyer over the past few years. China has a lot of gold in their reserve. Gold doesn't pay interest or dividends. It's about preserving wealth and diversifying my portfolio. Perhaps if I wanted to mix buying gold as a portfolio diversifier, I shouldn't be for more, as looking at the chart is considered still too high of entry level. So how about you?